Hello guys, welcome today for another video with the Eplan software. Today we're gonna see how to make a platform. Platforms are very useful when we are delivering works for schematics to the customers. It shows all the information and details about the work and companies and all other information. So in order to do so, we're gonna create first of all a project. So we're gonna call it, for example, new project platform, and we're gonna hit OK. So we're gonna hit OK. We're gonna go back to this detail later with other changes. So first, for the time, we're gonna hit OK. And now, in order to create a platform, we're gonna go to the utilities drop-down menu and to master data, and then platform and open. So for now, we have you have a lot of standard models of the platform. You can choose any one of them that that should fit much better your details. For me, I will choose this model, which is FN1003, and I will modify this platform. So in order to observe that, we're gonna copy and paste this one and choose it and then click open. So as you can see here guys, this already by default some settings here, so we don't need all those details, so we're gonna choose all of them and delete them. For example, this one, all of this one, this. For the commission, we don't need commission. Project name, we can this is here, and project description, yeah, we can use it. For the address, we're gonna choose one address and the company name. For modification date, just delete them. So guys, this is my own configuration of my platform. So you guys, you can do whatever you want and make your details as you can. So for the mounting location, you can grab it over here. For the page description, I just will change the format and check the alignment box in order to get rid of the around the borders of this rectangle and delete this higher from for this. I don't need it is responsible. It's okay. And now we're gonna start to changing and making some modification. This modification is just a text, so we don't we have to add a special text for the project properties. So click here and filter by their date and modification. For example, we give modification date here and put it just next to the we're gonna date. Okay, for the date here, it's just a text. So I think you don't need this name and dates here. I deleted for the project name. So we'll grab this one here and add a text. Project name here. We'll call it project name. And change with the I will uniform all the fonts by using the font 2.5 millimeters. So I will choose 2.5 millimeter and align it with this one. Okay. For project description, uh, we can just draw a line here. So this can fit there. Good. Change the font to 2.5. Okay. Hit OK. And project description. And hit OK. For the company name, I will insert a logo for my, for example, the company. Um, I will go in the drop down menu, graphic and image file. I'll choose this file, for example. Okay, and paste it here. And just will move this one a little bit here, and take the text of this and make it as an address. And move it over here. We'll create another text here with the company name, company, okay. I will now select all the fields and move them a little bit in the middle, just here, and drag this logo a little bit in the corner so as it can be a little bit nice. So now for the modification date. Margin location. I'll change it by location. Uh, Delete and insert here project properties, location. Okay, and grab it over here. And copy and paste this text here. Duplicate it, and just type the location or mountain location. For the page description, I will move it over here, grab it in the center, and duplicate this text here. and change the name of the text by page description. Counting. Okay, okay, that's good. For it is why text responsible for project. It's good. For here, I can choose the duplicated text here and use it as uh, end customer, for example. You can do whatever you want. Or end user. Okay. And we have over here special checks with project properties with filter by user or customer, customer, and we have it over here. For this one, grab it to the left. Yeah, that's pretty neat, isn't it? So now we can say that we are done, I think. The modification, they will, I don't think there will, because we have already used the modification field. So now I think we can add another field here. For example, project here. We can choose any field we want. For example, uh, customer. Well, I will choose randomly any field. So you guys, you can choose whatever you want from this list. For example, approve it by, and hit OK, and use it here. Approve it by. Yeah, just like very cool right now. So I can say that we are done right now. So in order to save the changes here, so we're gonna just close the platform right now. Close it and create a new page. You choose browse and choose our platform here, the FNN003 company that we have just created. And as you can see, guys, the platform has loaded successfully. So what we need now to do is to make some change properties in terms of projects. So you can say here project description, platform documentation, connection on company name, horizon, for example. I just make random names and random choices. So so you guys, you should fill it by your information. Uh, Creator you can do, and for the address I'm gonna type our main address, which is let's say number 45 LT issue. Okay. And let's say another field location, Casablanca, for example, and that's initially application page. Responsible of the project is Mr. For example, Khalid, and okay. So as you can see, guys, here the application base is already uh, loaded by the date of the the today date, which is 17/7/2021, and the project we call it new project platform. The project description, we just say that it's about a platform documentation. The company name Horizon, her address is number 45 LT Shawi, etc. Food approved by we don't know so far where or when or who approved the work, so we're gonna let it blank here. And Mauritania location is Casablanca, as we said. For the end user, so we can change the end user. Can change the end user properties uh, by typing here end user or end customer or customer. Okay. For the edits by the responsible for the project is Mr. Khalid in page one over one page. We have created right now just one page, so it's number one from all number of the page, which is only one page. So as you can see, guys, here the platform uh, has finished. Uh, and this is how we can make a platform in Eplan software. So so this is the end of the tutorial. So see you in the other videos.